Hi guys, so I went to Sapporo and I got a new toy. From the title you probably already know this is just my new bento bako, but still, look at this. It's so cute! Ah, can you smell it? It smells so good, right? I haven't had a bento bako in a long time. Let's wash this baby and think of what I'm going to be cooking. It's been about 10 years since I last used a wooden bento box. Back then, I didn't even know how to prep it right, so the rice would stick to the box, or even worse, gross story alert, it became moldy and disgusting and I had to throw it away. So today, this is my redemption bento. I feel like fall is a good time for fresh starts, so this is perfect for resetting and getting into that good habit of cooking bentos. The box I bought is a Japanese wooden bento box, also called Magewappa, which roughly translates to bent wood, and it's made with a natural wood that keeps the rice fluffy, absorbs moisture, and even makes a very simple lunch feel beautiful. These boxes have been used in Japan for centuries, and this time I plan to handle it with the love and care that I should have done with my bento boxes of Christmas past. For today's autumn bento, I'm going to be making a simmered braised satoimo lotus root stirred with ground beef in a miso sauce, grilled fall salmon, carrot namuru, and pickled umeboshi for color. I wanted to keep it to very seasonal ingredients, and I also wanted to feel like autumn in a box, so lots of browns, reds, and orange colors. Renkon, or lotus root, is a big fall staple. The texture is crunchy, just like me. Kidding. But it's slightly sweet and has holes in the middle, which apparently symbolize seeing the future clearly, so it's often used in New Year's foods. Most recipes seem to keep it crunchy by stir-frying it or frying it, which personally I love both. And apparently it's full of fiber and vitamin C. I wanted to add this miso flavoring because most of the bento fillings are usually flavored with soy sauce and mirin, which can get a little repetitive. This is a Korean-inspired dish that replaces mung bean with carrot sticks. It also only requires microwaving, so it's super easy and adds a beautiful color to the bento. The secret to a perfect bento box is in the prep. You first wet it, then wipe it with a dry cloth, then pack the rice. Wetting it helps keep the rice from sticking. And also, we're going to use some shiso leaves to line it, which will save me from staining the box and make cleanup easier. In the autumn, chum salmon come back to the rivers and therefore are in season. And also, they're a leaner variety of salmon. I like to eat seasonally whenever possible. The most important part of making a bento is keeping it as easy as possible, and even using leftovers from the night before to speed things up. Aside from the satoimo dish, the rest of my dishes only take less than 10 minutes from start to finish and can hold in the fridge for a few days. I don't know why, but I love plating things. Not that I'm particularly amazing at it. Something about arranging things on a plate or a box just feels like making a work of art, and it is almost in a way like art therapy. I know it's not that deep, but I just wanted to say that I personally enjoy it. I love how the colors pop against this beautiful wood too. it's important to make sure that everything's cooled off before putting on the lid. And that is my redemption bento. Next, we're going to face off with the last boss, which is my picky eater Japanese husband, who's going to take my bento and rate my bento skills.
ご飯から行くの？レンコンの肉味噌炒め。え？里芋の煮物。踊らなくていいよ。判定お願いします。
8.8。
美
味しい。
嬉しい。どれが美味しかった？
でも美味しい。
本当？
米がまずいい。梅干しもいい。で、これが
レンコン？
美味しいし、ライスイーター的には、炭水化物と炭水化物。ネギの見栄えがちょっと悪いから。
そうだね。
白ネギ系がいいかもね。
そっかそっか。確かに。
でも、美味しい。人参のは、ごま油が美味しいね。しそがもうちょっと見えるといいね。
そうだね。
全部いけちゃう。
やったー。違う。OK、じゃあ終了。Peace. Hi guys, I hope you liked the video and let me know in the comments what you like to eat in your bento boxes, especially for the fall. Also, let me know what other Japanese foods you want to see and I can make sure to make a video on that. So, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.